So for 24 part 2, I'm asked to find these two integrals, leaving my answer in terms of p. So one thing we should recognize, if I'm trying to integrate something in this form, so let's look at the first one first. If I'm trying to integrate this, it's a quotient that's very, very hard for me to deal with. However, I can make my life simpler by first dividing the top line by the bottom line. So what do I get when I divide 1 plus 3x plus 1? So divide 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Well, to make the x's match, I need to multiply by 3. And so I get 3x plus 6. And when I take 3x plus 1 minus 3x plus 6, I'm left with minus 5. So what does that mean? That means that 1 plus 3x over x plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 5 over x plus 2. Negative 5 is my remainder, so I could say plus negative 5 as well. Another way of thinking about it is that this says that 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 times x plus 2 minus 5. 3 times x plus 2 minus 5. So either way you want to think about it, it's fine, because it helps us with our integration. It means that the integral from 0 to p of 1 plus 3x over x plus 2 dx is equal to the integral from 0 to p of 3 minus 5 over x plus 2 dx. And so this is just 3x minus 5 ln x plus 2 between 0 and p. And so now all I do is I substitute in these values. So I get 3p minus 5 ln p plus 2 minus minus 5 ln 2. So in other words, this is 3p 5 times, and then using my laws of logarithms, this is 2 over p plus 2. Oops, how come there's no minus there? Yep. So this is the exact value for the first one. Let's look at the second one. So again, with the second one, it's important to simplify. So the integral from p to 2 of 9 minus e to the x over 2 dx. Well, this is, I can just divide each term by 2. So this is the integral of 9 over 2 minus e to the x over 2 dx. And now I can clearly see what I'm doing. 9 over 2 is just a constant, so I get 9 over 2x minus a half, and e to the x goes to itself between p and 2. So if I substitute in 2, what do I get? So I get 9 over 2 times 2, so that would be 9 minus a half e squared minus, substitute in p, I'd get 9 over 2p minus a half e to the power of p. And what does that give me? Not a lot I can do to simplify this. This just gives me 9 minus a half e squared minus 9 over 2p plus a half e to the power of p.